We're excited to introduce the Battery Energy Storage Systems, the BESS, which is the latest building block in our power systems new energy solutions portfolio, bringing us one step closer towards achieving our Destination Zero vision. One of our key competitive advantages is the presence of our global network of expert commissioning engineers and service support channels, delivering world-class commissioning and aftermarket support. Beyond the BESS commissioning, our teams bring a unique mix of experiences in integrating, testing, and commissioning the complete microgrid solutions. This capability is further strengthened by decades of proven experiences in power generation and integration of advanced control systems.
The launch of our new battery energy storage system is helping Cummins and our customers to accelerate emission reductions, as well as it is playing a vital role in storing renewable energy sources such as solar power and reduce peak hour power tariffs.
At Cummins Arabia, we are fully aligned with Cummins Global Destination Zero strategy. Our Al-Quds facility in Dubai is now a leading example of this vision in action. Now it is a greener, low-carbon facility powered by the Cummins Battery Energy Storage System, the BESS. The BESS supplies power to our site for 5 to 7 hours a day, depending on the operational load. This allows us significantly reduce diesel generator use. It's not just a pilot study. It's a scalable, real-world demonstration of how we can operate more efficiently and sustainably in our region. In October 2025 alone, the BESS system delivered almost 6.4 megawatt hours of clean energy, preventing 100 run hours of generator operation. That's a cost saving equal to 1,620 liters of diesel, which is worth of $1,200. Also, we can add up $517 of maintenance savings per year. These are measurable and practical results that proves the value of our net zero journey, not only for the environment, but for the operational efficiency and for the cost optimization.
As part of Cummins Global Power Generation team promoting new energy solution, I am responsible for Middle East and Africa region. And we are very proud of our first installation of Cummins BESS at our Cummins Dubai branch facility. We are hoping that customers and distribution partners across the region will visit us and witness this in action firsthand and join us in the movement of decarbonizing the globe.
Cummins Arabia, we manage the region of Saudi Arabia, UAE and Kuwait, and I see a lot of potential for the best energy solutions in our market. BESS has been a very, very big part of the grid here because of the huge solar demand. But now looking at the mission critical and the industry C&I applications, we see a lot of demand for that. Particularly for resiliency applications like data centers, hospitals, we see that BESS will be a very good solution.
Hi everyone, I'm excited to celebrate a major milestone for our organization. Congratulations to the Cummins Arabia DBU for installing the very first BESS system in the EMEA region. This is a breakthrough achievement and an important moment for all of us. This accomplishment is more than a project. It reflects our global commitment to Destination Zero and our ambition to deliver cleaner and more flexible power solutions to our customers. Seeing this system operating here in Dubai and already generating real savings is a powerful reminder of where the future is heading and the key role we play as a team in shaping it. This is just the beginning. Momentum is building, opportunities are growing, and we are creating the future together. Thank you, and let's keep going.